So you've successfully put together your saxophone and you've had a great playing session. Now it's time to put the saxophone back in its case. Take it apart and put it back in its case. So we want to make sure our case is on a solid surface, like I said before, like a good table, just as this saxophone case is. Open it up. Now there are several things inside the case that I'm going to use to clean the saxophone. Now it's very important that you clean out your saxophone when you're done playing. This will prolong the life of the saxophone. You will have much less problems with the horn working properly if you clean it every time you use it. One of the things that's very important, and you should have, if you don't have it, go get one, a cleaning swab. I'll show you how to use that in a little bit. I like to have a small handkerchief that I can use to clean out the mouthpiece. You can also use a piece of old t-shirt cut down small. A washcloth, all simple household items, these things. You can use that to dust the outside of the saxophone, clean the outside. You can also get a special polishing cloth if you want to keep your saxophone shiny. It gives a little bit of a nice gloss to it when you use the polishing cloth. But really, the washcloth works pretty well to keep it clean on the outside. If you wipe it down, every time you use it, it'll always stay nice and clean. Okay, we're going to go step by step on how to clean this saxophone. So the first thing we'll do, we're going to slowly take apart the saxophone. Loosen the screw to the neck. We're going to take the neck off. You know how to put it on. We're going to take it off just the same way. Twist it as we take it off. I'm going to remove the mouthpiece from the neck. We'll put the neck down inside the case in a safe place. Time to take apart the mouthpiece. So we're basically taking the ligature off the mouthpiece and the reed. I'm going to set the mouthpiece and the ligature down. They're going to come back to those in a minute. And put away the reed. Now in the future we're going to talk more about reeds and care of reeds. But for right now we'll just place it in the little reed case. Now there are different kinds of reed cases. This comes with the reed when you buy the reeds. You can also buy a special reed case that looks like this. That will hold many reeds. So we'll put that in there. Okay, our reed is put away. Now I'm going to show you how to clean the mouthpiece out. This is something I've been doing. I take my handkerchief and I push a corner through the mouthpiece like so. Just push it through and then pull it through. Okay, I might not pull it all the way through because it might get stuck if I have a thick one, but I just try to pull a little bit to clean out the spit out of the mouthpiece. And now what I'm doing is I'm putting an old reed that I don't use anymore back on the mouthpiece so that when I put the ligature on there, it doesn't scratch the facing of the mouthpiece. I put the mouthpiece cap on and put it in the case. Now many cases have little slots for your mouthpiece, so you feel free to put it into the slot. If it doesn't have a slot, you can find little areas inside the case where the mouthpiece will go. Next, I am going to clean the neck of the saxophone. So I've got my cleaning swab. Now this is a satin cleaning swab, very good. I highly recommend these kinds of swabs. This is a very good swab because it fits through the necks. Now some swabs will not go through the neck, they won't fit through. So you have to make sure that you're using the right kind. And this is thin and it'll fit through so I can pull it all the way through. So I just basically dropped a weight through the neck. This is the weight on this end, and I dropped the weight through the big end of the neck. I'm going to do it again so you can see. There's the weight. Dropping it in and pulling it through. Just like that. Okay, so the neck is clean. Most of the spit that gets in there when you play or the condensation is out. We can put the neck into its slot. In my case, I have a little pouch that I keep it in. You might not have a pouch. You might have just a little crook inside the case where you keep the neck, and that's fine. Just you put it inside there. So we're going to put it in the case for right now. Now we'll clean the body of the saxophone. So just like the neck, we still use the same swab with the weight. I'm going to drop the weight into the bell. And I have to turn the saxophone upside down and around so that the weight goes all the way through out the other end, out the small end of the saxophone, and I pull the swab through. And I can do that a couple times and the saxophone should be very clean. I've got all my pieces, that's great. In my saxophone, I keep the neck inside the bell because I don't have a special slot for it in my case. I have a small case. You might have to do that. Keep your neck in your bell, or you might have a slot, like I said before. I take this piece, put it in there. The saxophone is all good. Now to clean the outside, I just wipe it down. Gently, be careful that you don't bend any keys while you're doing this. There's a lot of keys on there. You have to be gentle. And just wipe out the outside of the saxophone. Keeps it nice and clean. And we can put the saxophone in the case. Just like that. Try to keep everything clean. Wrap up my swab. They all have little spots you can put them in your case. And a lot of this is going to be things, are there going to be things that you're going to come up with yourself too, find the spots where you keep them. But just be careful not to put them in places where they can damage the saxophone, bending any keys. That's the main thing. Okay, so we keep them in there. We can close up the case. Make sure to latch it. And you're all set. Your saxophone will last many years after this. One other thing I'd like to point out, before you play, always wash your hands and wash your mouth out, especially if you've eaten food recently, because the oils and the grease from the food that you eat will go into the saxophone and cause problems. So if you brush your teeth before you play and wash the dirt and the oil off your hands, your saxophone will look and last much longer and play much better in the future.